Unleash your inner fire with hot yoga. Uncover a new fitness journey that pushes you beyond your limits. Welcome to Hot Yoga, a transformative experience that promotes strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. Let's dive into why hot yoga is your next wellness adventure. Hot yoga presents the unique blend of traditional yoga practices in a heated environment. The heat intensifies the workout, encouraging your muscles to loosen up, making your movements smoother and more fluid. Every moment in the warm room is a testament to your willpower. As you focus on your breath while transitioning through poses, you train your mind to stay calm in challenging situations. It's yoga and meditation combined. The heat also acts as your invisible coach. It encourages profuse sweating, which aids in detoxification. As you sweat, you're not just burning calories, but also flushing out toxins, leaving your body refreshed and rejuvenated. Hot yoga is not just an exercise, but a holistic wellness routine. It boosts circulation, improving cardiovascular health. The increased oxygen supply during the hot yoga session revitalizes every cell of your body. Flexibility is a key aspect of fitness often overlooked. Embracing hot yoga helps improve your flexibility, reducing the risk of injuries and enhancing your performance in other physical activities. This is yoga with an added twist. Hot yoga targets your core, strengthening your abdomen and back muscles. A strong core is essential for better balance and posture. You stand taller, you move better. It's a workout that extends beyond the mat. The discipline of hot yoga nurtures mindfulness. You become more aware of your body, your breath, and your movements. This conscious presence extends into your daily life, improving focus and clarity. Hot yoga is for everyone. Regardless of your fitness level, age, or yoga experience, you can benefit from hot yoga. It's not about perfection, it's about progress and personal growth. Remember to stay hydrated and listen to your body during the sessions. Hot yoga is a challenging practice, but the rewards are immense. You leave stronger, more flexible, and with a clear mind. Get ready to step into the heat, embrace the sweat, and feel the transformation. Hot yoga, your body's adventure into strength, flexibility, and serenity. Unleash your inner fire today.